Hey, my name's Nate. I came to Family and Faith because, well, one day I was just walking past middle school and I just saw the church, and I went through like years of depression, leading to the point where I just wanted to go home. And when my mom left, I was gonna pretty much not exist anymore. There was a lot of reasons I came to church because, one, I didn't have anything to do on Sundays, and I don't know, this place, man, it's just great. I mean, first time I came here, I felt in essence that I never felt before, and before I came to Family and Faith, before I even came to the faith of Christ, I practiced paganism, hated that a lot. Worship trees was really the greatest thing in the world. And then I was an atheist where I didn't believe in anything. And when you're an atheist and you don't believe in anything, everything just seems bleak, like you look at the ground and it's just the ground. That's where now that I look at things through Christ's eyes, people see ground and I see an artwork that lasts through millennia, through lifetimes. It's really amazing to me now, and when I see it through Christ's eyes, if you will. They think that when you're Christian, everyth's fixed. Like, you live in this perfect lifestyle. You got the car, you got the money, you got everything, you got the kids. But, I'm a Christian, and, things are still hard. But I think being a Christian is just, the world's still gonna be the world, but you got Jesus. And life's just good with Jesus, and you're a changed person. I mean, before, I wouldn't even sit here and tell any of you that are watching this right now my experiences. I would just all think you're crazy for believing in what I thought to be a man that just existed on a cloud. I got my mom to go to church because, believe it or not, she kind of believed in God, but she was like, if so. That's the vibe I got from her. But then she started coming, and you all know her. She's at everything. Sunday school, Bible studies on Wednesdays. She's just raring to go. And then, I don't know how, but she got my dad to come along. And I never thought my dad would come along because, he never exuded Christian vibe, if you know what I'm saying. But he came. He comes every Sunday. Without my mom yanking him out of bed, he willingly comes. And, it's amazing. And most people think nowadays that, everything nowadays is instantaneous. You gotta have it now. But I think the beauty in Christ is you wait. And he makes you wait for the things you really want. And sometimes it's not in the way you would think. And in the end, it's really worth it.